Hello, my name's Derek, and today I'm going to be teaching you about how to use the Revolve function in SolidFace. So as you can see, I am in the part window, and I'm going to go ahead and start a sketch. So come over here and click Create Sketch Plane. Then I'm going to come down here and select the XY front plane. And as you can see, I'm still in the isotropic view, isometric view. So I'm going to go ahead and click the View button and select the front view. Alright, so now you can see that everything is quite nicely laid out. I'm going to go ahead and click the rectangle button. Drop the vertex of that rectangle on the origin, and then just create a rectangle like that. So I'm not going to dimension it because there's a few different things we need to get to, and we can dimension it after the fact. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the pencil with the green check. Then I'm going to come up here to my toolbar at the top and select the Revolve button. And once I click it, you can see that we have a few different options along the top here. So we have new body, boss, cut, and surface for types of revolves. And then we have the face profile that we want to revolve and the rotation axis that we want to revolve the face or profile around. So I'm going to go ahead and select this vertical line, also known as the y-axis, or which lies collinear with the y-axis, as my axis of rotation. And then for face profile, I can actually select that same line since it will select all of these in a chain. So now you can see that I have a cylinder, or maybe a pin of some kind. Now, if you look to the Revolve window here that my mouse is over, see there's 4 different options for us to do. So I have full selected, which is the most common option that you'll use. You can also use 2 directions, mid-plane, and 1 direction. So if you hit 1 direction, I'll hit apply right there. So now you can see that I can actually grab this and rotate it manually. So let's say I only wanted 90 degrees revolved about the surface. I can hit apply, and you can see I have a perfect 90-degree revolve here of that profile. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with full. Full is the most useful by far. Alright, so hit apply, OK, and green check. And now you can see we have a revolved pin. So what if you didn't use a rectangle? Alright, well, let's go ahead and delete our body here and modify our sketch. Alright. Delete all these lines. Alright, so let's just say we made an arc out here. Alright. Okay. Oh, I went in there. Okay. Now if I select the pencil and the green check, and I go back to the Revolve button, so you see I don't have a line that I can select a rotation axis around. What I can do is come down here to the bottom left where this references button is, click that, and then select X, Y, or Z axis. Obviously I wouldn't really select the Z axis since my drawing is not perpendicular to that axis. I'll select the X axis this time. And for face profile, I will select my circle that I drew. So now if I rotate it, I can see it is going to make this donut O-ring shape here. And then all of the same buttons apply. So I can choose 1 direction and just make a 90 degrees. So maybe if you wanted to create a pipe in a CAD drawing of a house, you could use this to simulate that. But I'm going to go ahead and go back and click full and apply and hit OK and green check. And we can see that we have my O-ring here. So if I wanted to create an O-ring size to go on another part that I'm creating, let's say a butterfly valve, then I could revolve this into the size I wanted and then import this model later into that assembly. So that, in a nutshell, is how to use the Revolve function. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos if you want to stay in the know and receive updates about future videos. Thanks for watching.